I'm gonna see if we can get a quick grip on this Evo. I'm gonna do a quick on-ramp pull. Closing up shop. Heading home, you guys, in a 500 horsepower plus Evo 10. Quick cold start for you guys. We're gonna let this thing warm up, and then we're gonna get a move on. Car's all warmed up. Turn our lights on. Super empty streets for you guys. I'm gonna see if we can get a quick grip on this Evo. A little bit of rain shed down on the streets, nothing crazy, but bad boy does pull though. I will say that much. F80 M3. I should have followed him. Only downside to the city is I think they're going to be installing speed cameras out here. At least they gave the layout of where they're going to be having these speed traps. Not speed traps, but speed cameras. So you can kind of evade them. It's unfortunate, but I think other cities are also taking that into effect and into account. Oh, shit. Not to mention these streets that are never properly paved down. Ugly, ugly streets. Surprised there's a couple cars out today. Usually it's empty, being that it's 3:30 in the morning. Finally, I got it, man. This thing rips. Oh my God, this thing rips. That all-wheel drive is nuts, you guys. Man, this is what I mean by you can never get bored of a manual boosted car. Not to mention all-wheel drive. What else do you want? Sorry for the neighbors. I might get rid of this front windshield tint just so it's a better POV, because I mean, even with these headlights I can't see absolutely you know what I was gonna say. And I'm definitely gonna have to do some ride-alongs, get the reactions. I can only imagine what passenger feels like. Oh man. And if there's someone maybe that I trust to drive this car, I will also be passenger to feel the full adrenaline. I haven't done it on the M4. I don't know why. I'm not sure if it's just because it's not manual or if I'm kind of just accustomed to the car now. Could be a lot of things, but 3 a.m. drive in a 500+ horsepower Evo. And boy, does this not disappoint. I would hit that Broadway tunnel to my left, but I'm gonna save that for a future video. I think I got enough adrenaline for today. Probably just a couple small little pulls just to hear the turbo spool. I truly wonder if the camera picks it up. In person, it sounds ridiculous. Maybe a future video, if you guys like the videos, I will be getting one of those DJI microphones I see people putting inside the engine bay, and you get a bunch of crazy noises. Maybe for a future video. For now, I mean, we'll see how the footage comes out or no. That being said though, I'm gonna close out the video. We made it back home. I'm gonna park up, and once I park up, I will call it a night. All right, you guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and keep it authentic. Until the next one, peace.